Excited to meet you at my channel, my friend. My name is Leonard Manzi, and today I'm going to show you how you can make at least $40 in an hour by just removing photo backgrounds. Right, I'll show you some websites where people are thronging and are looking for services like background removals from their photos, right? And I'm going to show you how you can do it. You might say, I haven't done any photography. I don't know any graphic design, my friend. Don't worry about that one, because I'm going to show you some tools that you are going to use to remove those backgrounds, those photo backgrounds, and the whole business becomes a joy and a breeze. So let me remind you also that my channel is all about making money on the internet and leveraging the power of the internet to make money. And I'm sure that you are also looking for ways and means of making money on the internet, right? If that is you, my friend, that is your desire, then click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you can know it each time and every time I drop a video, right? Yes, I'm going to take you to a few websites, my friend, where you can start to make at least $40 in an hour. You can even make more, right? And I'm going to just show you the bare minimum that you can make using these websites. But your task is to remove some photo backgrounds. And I'll show you the websites and the tools that you can use. Okay, our first website is called People Per Hour. You can see that this is a secure website and it's got fantastic ratings, right? And what goes on here, right? People come here offering their services. It might be graphic design, it might be animation, it might be logo design, it might be translation, transcriptions, it might be this or that. Right? That's how you're also going to come. And you're called freelancer. Freelancers are coming here offering their services. Why? Because there is a market. There are some people who are outsourcing some certain tasks, right? They don't have time to sit down on the computer. They just want to outsource. They just want to hire someone to do the job. And at a certain time, and they just pay some money and they're good to go. All right. So this is the beauty part about this website, right? So you're coming in here as a freelancer, and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So how do you start on this website? Obviously, you sign up as a freelancer. Once you are logged into People Per Hour, you go where it says search. You go to search projects. Click that one, and then on the description, you write photo background remove or remover. Then you click search. You can find that there are 311 projects that are going on right now. Okay, writing a background. That one, a background remove for 20 pictures, £6 per hour. That's British money, stronger than US, a little bit, right? Writing and a background, £10. That one, £61. That one, £30, £50 per hour, £200, £50, £45. Character drawing on photo, right? Person, £45, right? You can see there are 311 on that keyword. Okay, right. So you can search other categories, you know, but we are demonstrating with photo background remover. Okay, right. So now you might say, okay, how do I get the details? So when you click the link, it's a clickable link right here. Right, let's look for, yeah, this one. This one is paying £30 one time, fixed price. But you can do a few of these in an hour, right? With the tools that I'm going to show you, it's possible for you to do a few, 2 or 3 or 4 in an hour, okay? So you go and click product photo editing, right there. Then you get the details of the project. We have a photo of our product on a white background. It's a beanbag chair, right? The job is to add 2 lifestyle backgrounds. We need 1 indoor setting and 1 outdoor. I have attached 1 big bag image and an example of each, right? So you can see that you've got the details right there. So what you do now, after you have selected your project, you go to a website which is called Remove BG. The website is called remove.bg. Okay, right. So this one now, it says remove image background 100% automatically and free. Right. So you upload your pictures from your computer onto this site and you start to edit the pictures. Let me demonstrate right away. All right. So you upload the picture, right? So you go to your pictures in your computer, right? Right. You upload your image from your computer. You just select what a good image, right? It's uploading. Good. Right. So the original image is that one. That's yours truly and his wife, okay? Right? So you can edit it further. The background is gone. The image is right here. And then you click edit. Right? Then you can choose the different backgrounds you want. Right? That one. Yes, of course, it's not, there's no chair there, but we want, it's just an example, right? Look at that one, right? You can see how powerful this software is, right? Look at that. So you can do anything with this site, my friend, okay? Right, so if you want to put your own background, you can upload the photos right here, okay? You upload the photo and it will be part of the background photos that you can use. All right, so once you are done and you're satisfied, you can download the picture, the final product right here by clicking download, right? And then you can send it to your customer on people per hour. All right. So here you create your own portfolio, right? And then as people come here, you are already registered with the site, and then you just pick any project that you want and you run with it. So there's another site. It's called Fiverr. Fiverr is a freelance website. People come here looking for services, and also people come here offering services. So you're coming here offering services, and the service you're offering is to remove photo backgrounds. Remove photo background or remove background from photo, right? And these are other people who are already doing it. You can go where it says filter on budget here. You can filter and you put your minimum, say $20, 20 pounds, right? And you can see the people who are charging at least 20 pounds on their jobs. So you put your portfolio and you put your minimum amount which you charge, right? Look at that. The background was that, and now the background is clear, right? And that one and that one, right? So these are charging, that one is charging 24, 20, 20, 32, 24, 149. So what are they doing? I'll remove background from photo, okay, for 24 pounds. 20 pounds. So that's all what you'll be doing, my friend. So you can start to charge and to make some cool money, some easy money by visiting people per hour, create your portfolio right here. Come to Fiverr, create a portfolio right here, and then you also sign up with a remove PG or remove background, this website. Okay, and start to charge. These are cool ways of making money, my friend. But the only problem is that you are working all the time. So, but there is another way you can make this money in an automated way. You can set up a business that runs on autopilot. So if you are interested in finding how you can set up a business that runs on autopilot whilst you are sleeping, whilst you are traveling, whilst you are spending quality time with your loved ones, then my friend, click the link in the description and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.